Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Ford Transit. First, let's cover the simplest ways to regain access if you're locked out. Often, a quick check of all doors and the rear hatch can reveal an unlocked entry point. Sometimes, a simple jiggle of the handle or a firm push can do the trick. We'll also look at basic key fob troubleshooting for immediate solutions, ensuring you can get back on the road quickly. If your basic attempts don't work, you might need some tools. A slim gem can be used to manipulate the internal locking mechanism, but requires careful handling to avoid damage. Alternatively, a wedge inserted into the door frame, combined with a long reach tool, can help you press the unlock button. For more complex situations, contacting a professional locksmith is always a safe and reliable option. Electronic issues are a common culprit for lockouts. If your key fob isn't working, try replacing its battery. A fresh one often solves the problem. Sometimes, the fob might need to be resynchronized with your vehicle, a process usually detailed in your owner's manual. Also, check the vehicle's fuse box for any blown fuses related to the central locking system, as this can prevent remote unlocking. To prevent future lockouts, always keep a spare key handy, perhaps with a trusted friend or family member. A magnetic hide-a-key box, discreetly placed on the vehicle, can also be a lifesaver in an emergency. Make it a habit to regularly check and replace your key fob battery, perhaps every 6 months, to avoid unexpected failures. Being prepared saves time and hassle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.